Welcome to my review of Teemill, a unique dropshipping platform focused on eco-friendly and sustainable products. In this video, I'll guide you through my experience with Teemill, showcasing everything from the platform's user interface to its product offerings and pricing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, this review will help you decide if Teemill is the right fit for your business. Teemill stands out because of its strong commitment to sustainability. Unlike traditional dropshipping services that offer a variety of products, Teemill focuses on apparel, particularly eco-friendly, ethically produced clothing items. When you first sign up for Teemill, you're greeted with a simple, user-friendly interface that makes setting up your store relatively easy. The platform integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce tools like Shopify and WooCommerce, so you can start selling quickly without worrying about the technical setup. The product customization feature is impressive. Teemill allows you to design and create custom products with your logos, artwork, or designs. The platform offers a wide range of apparel options, including t-shirts, hoodies, and accessories, all made from organic cotton or recycled materials. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to create a brand around sustainability, as you're offering environmentally conscious products right from the start point. One of the most notable features of Teemill is its production and fulfillment model. Once an order is placed on your store, Teemill handles everything, from printing to shipping, which means you don't need to keep inventory or worry about logistics. This hands-off approach makes it easy for entrepreneurs to focus on marketing and growing their brand. The platform also provides real-time analytics and reporting, so you can track the performance of your products and make data-driven decisions about your business. This feature is crucial for anyone serious about growing their online store and improving sales over time. Pricing with Teemill is straightforward. There's no upfront cost to start a store, and they take a commission from each sale, which is typical for dropshipping platforms. The prices of the products are competitive, though you will need to factor in shipping costs, which can vary depending on the destination point. One of the biggest advantages of Teemill is its commitment to the environment. They use renewable energy to power their production, and their printing methods are environmentally friendly. If sustainability is a core value for your brand, Teemill is a great platform to align with. However, there are some limitations to be aware of. While the range of products is great for those focusing on apparel, Teemill doesn't offer as much variety in terms of other product categories, like accessories or home goods, compared to other dropshipping platforms. Additionally, customization options are limited to the designs you upload, so if you're looking for more advanced features, you may need to consider other platforms. In conclusion, Teemill is a fantastic option for those looking to build a dropshipping business focused on eco-friendly apparel. The platform is easy to use, offers sustainable products, and takes care of fulfillment and production for you. If you value sustainability and want to create a brand that reflects those values, Teemill is a solid choice. If you're looking for more diverse product categories or advanced customization options, you might want to look into other dropshipping services. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more reviews on dropshipping platforms and e-commerce tools.